The Cupertino-based tech giant Apple has launched the latest iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus in a new yellow color, adding more choices to the lineup this summer. Both iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus will be available to pre-order in India from Friday, with availability starting March 14. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus will be available in yellow in 128GB, 256GB and 512GB storage capacity starting at Rs 79,900 and Rs 89,900 respectively. Customer in Australia, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Japan, South Korea, the UK and the USA and more than 60 other countries and regions will be able to pre-order iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus in yellow beginning at 5 a.m. PST this Friday, 10th March, with availability beginning Tuesday, March 14. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus is also available in midnight blue, starlight purple and product red option. Powerful A15 Bionic chip and innovative safety capacity including emergency SOS via satellite and crash detection. The extraordinary battery life, lightweight design, pro-level camera and video feature, grounded braking safety capacity like emergency SOS via satellite and all iOS 16 has to offer make iPhone 14 a great option for anyone in the market for a new iPhone. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus have a durable ceramic shield front cover and update internal design for better sustained performances and easier repair, with iPhone 14 Plus offering the longest battery life of any iPhone ever. The 6.1 inches iPhone 14 and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Plus feature a durable, aerospace-grade aluminium design that is water and dust resistant. Well, that's all in this video. For more such video, you can visit to our channel, Techlusive.